Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into MOZ in 2025, one of the most recognized SEO tools in the market. Whether you are a beginner, a smaller business owner, or an SEO pro, this review will break down the key features, pros and cons to help you decide if MOZ is right for you. And remember, if this helps, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. What is MOZ? MOZ is an all-in-one SEO tool set that helps you improve your website's visibility in search engines. Founded in 2004, it's grown into a go-to platform for keyword research, backlink tracking, and competitor analysis. In 2025, MOZ has added a few smart updates, including AI-assisted keyword suggestions, real-time SERP tracking, and improved site health diagnostics. Key features. Now let's go over some standout features in the 2025 versions of MOZ. Keyword Explorer. Still one of the best in the industry, MOZ now offers more localized data and AI-based keyword grouping, perfect for content strategy. Site Crawl. This is feature number 2. This feature finds SEO issues on your site and provides step-by-step fixes. It's faster and more accurate than ever. 3. Link Explorer. Track your backlinks and discover what's helping or hurting your domain authority. Number 4, SERP tracking. Now includes mobile and voice search tracking, which is a major win in 2025. And the final advantage is the MOZ bar. It's great for quick page analysis on the go, and this is their Chrome extension. Pros. Now, when talking about the pros, it has many pros, including the user-friendly interface, the domain authority metric, the solid free tools, great community and support. MOZ is beginner friendly. Its user interface is clean and tutorials are built in. MOZ's domain authority score is still one of the most trusted in the industry. In addition to that, the free plan and tools like the MOZ bar and Keyword Explorer Lite offer real value without paying. Cons. Now, when talking about the cons, the first con is the pricing. Let's be real. Starting at $99 per month, MOZ isn't the cheapest. Some features are locked behind higher tier plans. Con number 2 is the limited backlink index. Compared to tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, MOZ's backlink data can be slightly less comprehensive. No PPC data. If you're also managing paid ads, MOZ doesn't offer much in terms of PPC insights. Final verdict. So, you may ask yourself after all this information, is MOZ worth it in 2025? The answer is, if you are focused on organic SEO, want easy to understand tools, and love actionable insights, yes, MOZ is still a great choice. But if you are running a large agency or need advanced backlink and ad tracking, you might want to compare it with tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. For beginners, small teams, and even experienced marketers who love a clean dashboard and trusted metrics, MOZ remains a strong contender. And that's all about today's review. If you find it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and goodbye.